Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I come at you live and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas, with my newest creation I have for you today. Check this out. This is a gummy. I made this gummy, and I'm going to try it out. Now, something interesting about this gummy is it's made with pure capsaicin. Um, I got teddy bears and a dinosaur and all that nice and fun and loving stuff. But this, it's made with pure capsaicin, just like the others, but this was for my own consumption. If it's good, I can make some more. Here we go. Not quite sure how this is going to go. Not even sure if I should have wore a glove or not. Somehow I feel like I'm going to regret this in a minute. You know, when you get stuff from somebody else, you don't know what to expect, and sometimes that's a good thing. But when you make it yourself, you actually know what's in it. That could be scary. Woo! All right, I made a gummy. Wow. Bon appetit. Holy shit. Um, oh my God. I forgot to mention I put Carolina Reaper powder in it. Whoa. Whew. That's burning my gullet. You know, I'm not sure, but I think that's a winner. I may not be a winner, but this is a winner. Oh. I am Iron Man, and I will not lose. Hmm. Hmm. It's almost gone. It's a very interesting gummy, by the way. Oh, that is not the hottest thing in the world that I've had. But, buddy, oh, that's hot. Pop Pop Productions. You did good, buddy. Ooh. Man. Try to get this down video over within 5 minutes. You got 45 seconds to go. Mm. Oh my God, I don't know. This mobile is hot. Whew. Pure capsaicin. Put some tink in it. I'm not gonna make it to 5 minutes. I'm sweating. It's got my whole mouth. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God, it's hot. Mm. 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 Guys, that was rough. Okay, on heat level, I'm going to give that a 9. Satan's blood was way hotter. As for that stupid little pepper thing you buy at the mall, that tastes like a jalapeno compared to that. That little thing in the mall's a joke. You want somebody to make you a gummy, you come talk to me, because that mug is hot. Man. Whew. Like, add, subscribe, and comment. Sweat's running down my face. Whew. I guess I better get back in the kitchen and make some more. Man. Whew. Like, add, subscribe, and comment. I think I already told you that. Thank y'all. See y'all next time. God bless America. God bless you. That stuff's hot. Y'all want me to make some more stuff and put it on YouTube? Let me know. Add the comments below.